Hey YouTube, this is how to make a black and white image with color accents in Photoshop. I made a similar video about 6 years ago which had very bad quality, but I now have a 4K setup for my computer and my programs, so I thought it would be fun to come back through and remake it and re-explain how to do it where you can actually see what I'm doing. This is a photo I took on Talamina with my car group of my 2014 GT Mustang and a buddy of mine's beautiful gold Boss 302. What we'll be doing is taking the vibrant image that I took during summertime with the green on the trees and just a full color image and turning it into a color accent image where everything's gray except for the color of this gold on the Boss. This can be used to do photos for baby shoots or wedding photography, really, whatever you want to do it with. There are now apps you can use on your phone, but I've noticed that the apps seem to destroy the quality of your picture. So if you're wanting a high quality picture and still wanting this effect, this is a good option for you. Anyhow, to begin, you're just going to pull up whatever photo you want to use. You're going to drag it down and make a copy of it. And I'm just going to call this the color layer, just so we can keep track of what I'm doing. Then we're going to copy it again. We'll name it black and white. Then you want to go up to Image, Adjustments, and then click on black and white. This will turn the colors all the shade you need. You can also go through and adjust colors if you want to, but it's not really necessary. Anyhow, you click OK, and that'll turn your image black and white. Now what you want to do is go down to the masking tool and make a mask on your black and white image. This can be done without a tablet, but it's a lot easier to go ahead and use a tablet if you have one. I'm using my laptop, which you can probably tell from all the clicking I have to keep doing on my mouse, but it's probably easier just to use a regular mouse if you don't have a tablet. Anyhow, now you're just going to go and zoom in, make sure your black and white settings are over here, and you're clicked on your masking tool, and then you'll just swipe your mouse wherever you want color to show up. Now I'm not going to go in and do this real neatly because I've already have a finished picture, but you can just color whatever. Now on the original picture I didn't color on here because this wasn't black and white, it was more of a blue tinge from the reflections from the sky. But you can really just go through and turn whatever you would like to have color and just draw on it. I've taken on some images because my brake calipers on my car are a grabber blue color, and I just take and do the same exact thing and just turn the brake calipers blue. That's really all you have to do, and then you can either save this as a JPEG or you can just flatten the image, do whatever you want to do with it. I hope that was helpful, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.